Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to use a new construction window for a replacement window. Let's get right to the video. Alright, so what we have here is a new construction window. These have the fins on them. Basically, what you have to do is cut this fin off right here, all the way around the whole perimeter, to use this window as a replacement window. This comes right in stock at Home Depot. The hole size in my house happens to be 36 by 48. Now normally whenever you are doing replacement windows, you will have to special order them. This is a pretty standard size window. So what I did was I just got some windows in stock, and we're going to cut the fins off, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, there's several ways to cut these fins off. Some people use a utility knife and score it, but that's really hard to do and you risk cutting yourself. I use this tool here. This is an all-in-one tool. Just got that blade on there, it'll cut right through it. So anyways, that's how I do it. There's several ways to do it. I've heard of people using belt sanders and belt sanding it off. I think that would be kind of hard to do, so we're not going to do that. But let's get to it. Alright, so we got all the fins cut off, all the way around the perimeter. There. Now basically you're looking at a replacement window instead of a new construction window. We're going to go over and get it fit in the hole. Alright, so we've got it in the hole. I'm going to go around to the inside, get some screws in it. So that's how you take a new construction window and turn it into a replacement window. Basically, if you're lucky enough to have your window hole size the same as what you need for a new construction, you can just pull them right off the shelf, cut the wings off, and you're good to go. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.